Hey everybody, it's Denise back with Keto with Denise, and today we're going to talk about grains, whole grains versus refined grains, and what's the difference between them. I think it's important to at least establish this so you kind of know the difference. So whole grains contain the whole grain kernel, which is your bran, your germ, your endosperm. And this is the anatomy of a grain, by the way. So this outer skin is the actual bran. The endosperm is the food supply, and right here is what's called like the embryo. This is how grains can sprout into a new plant. So this is the three components of a kernel. So when you're talking about whole grains, you're talking about grains that maintain their kernel. They contain the whole grains like brown rice, oatmeal, popcorn, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and that's probably why they've been established as quote unquote healthy. But in another video, you're going to see me talk about what's the nutritional content in these and why they're not good on your keto journey. So you can just actually click and watch that one. But for this one, I wanted to establish the difference between them. So these are your whole grains because they contain the whole grain kernel versus refined grains. So it just keeps going downhill because the refined grains have been milled or processed to remove the bran and the germ, leaving you with just the endosperm in that case. And this is really done to improve the texture of that product and to extend the shelf life. That's why these products can be on the shelves for a very long time because one, fiber has been removed, iron has been removed, and even some important vitamins, nutrients have been removed. So what are these refined grains we're talking about? White flour, white rice, white bread, white rice, crackers, grits, pasta. Think about this. When you're in the store and you're shopping, these things you can keep in your pantry, it seems like forever, right? We extend shelf life on these kinds of things based on how they're processed because really that entire grain has been removed. So when you're talking about grains, understand the difference between the whole grains and refined grains. And there's a whole laundry list of items or food items that exist in both of these categories. I just wanted to highlight some of the more commonly consumed grains that people actually take in, but we're going to talk again about why these are actually not good for you on your keto journey. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Hi, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And by the way, click the bell too so that you'll be notified when there's new content like this. Thank you again for watching.